This is the SUPA X3 OS refillable pod. It holds 20 milliliters and uses a 0.6 ohm dual mesh coil. Let's fill it up with some AKSO e-liquid. Just like this. Then slide it into the X3 device. Super easy. You can adjust the power between 15 and 25 watts, and there's also adjustable airflow at the bottom. Plus, it comes with a dustproof cap, so every puff stays clean. Here's another X3 OS pod, but this one's pre-filled with 2 mils of flavored juice. You can top it up with 18 mils more. It even comes with a 30 mils bottle, so you're all set. That's up to 50,000 puffs. Let's go ahead and refill it. The power output is from 15 watts to 25 watts. And of course it has the same dustproof cap for clean vaping. This one is the 12 OS refillable pod. It holds 7.5 mils of e-liquid and supports 5 different coil resistances. Refill it now. But before using it, we need to install this accessory. This one's also a 0.6 ohm dual mesh coil with a 15 to 25 watt output range. Now here's the X3 pre-filled pod white. It gives you up to 25,000 puffs and comes in 20 different flavors. Check out the screen. It shows not only wattage and battery level, but also the e-liquid level, which is a pretty rare feature for pre-filled pods. Let's install the accessory first. This is the 12 pre-filled pod. It delivers around 12,000 puffs. The great thing is, the latest SUPA X devices are backward compatible with older pods, and which is super helpful for our distributors.